Hi guys, today we are going to learn how to do this transition. So easy, let's do it together. Today we are going to work with this footage and shout out to our talent. I will put her channel down below. This is shot at 3 different times without makeup, with half makeup and full makeup on. So for that purpose we need to match our footage. Let's put the first footage above the second one and we roughly need to match them. Opacity. One more time I will say roughly. Let's check. Of course it cannot be perfect always, but this is pretty similar. It's a little bit zoomed, so no worries. Now, next step that you need to do, select all the footage, hold Alt and duplicate it. To be easier, we are going to select one more time and new compound clip, create. We are doing this because we want to cut the background, and this way it's going to be easier instead of going on every individual clip, because in your case maybe it's going to be like 10-15 clips. This is only for demonstrational purposes and I will do it fast, the background remove, so don't worry if we miss something. Over here in the Fusion tab on Mac you need to hold Shift and space, and Windows you need to hold Control plus space. Select the 3D gear and add it. Select the plus eyedropper tool and remove the background. We are going back to the edit, and this layer let's color code it so it's going to be different with the rest of them. Let's choose blue, it's selected, let's go with purple. So with this layer selected, we have the background remove, but we are still seeing something because that is from this footage down below. Now we are going to work on the transition. For this footage we need to go in Effects, Video Transition, and scroll all the way at the bottom. This one. We are looking for slight right. But if we just apply it here, it will not be so good. So let's cut every clip on 2 or more parts. Something like this. If your clip is longer, you can do multiple cuts on one clip. I think roughly we're here. Just drag and drop our transition. If you feel faster, you can do it. Choose the selector, hold Alt and duplicate it. Hold Alt, also duplicate it. Maybe for you it's faster this way. Clear up the effects so we have more workspace. And let's go at the beginning of our clip. We need to extend it all the way so they will touch approximately. We can do like this. One more cut. Selector tool, Alt and transition. Same thing here. One more cut, cut, cut. Selector tool, add transition, Control Z because we made mistake, Alt, drop it. Let's extend so all of them are touching or almost touching. So we should be done. Let's review it now. Keep in mind that this is not rendered yet, so maybe it's going to be slow, but I will show you the final footage. And this is the effect that we wanted. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one.